Welcome to a British summer, July 2021, and I'm outside in the garden, as you can see, and I'm going to have a go at running a little locomotive on this mixed day of cloud and rain. British summer conditions. Before we look at the running, as you can see, there are puddles here, and my big landscaping project this year has been to level out the lawn, and so all this grass that you see here is newly seeded, and there's been a 30-inch or so difference in lawn height from there to there, and so what I've done is I've filled this and I've cut it out from there to there. Now the area that's been cut out, I've had to dig down to a clay level. There is some sand and loam on top. You see how that grass isn't growing so well on the clay level, but the bit that's been filled in, look how lush and long this grass is. Oh, I've just pruned so that I could get some stock around the track to run around the track. And I'm not sure, you might not be able to hear it, but it's beginning to rain again. And so there we have the thing that's going to run a J70 or Y6 Tram Loco, sold as a Shelley Tram by IP Engineering, and I've just tidied it up a little bit, regauged it, just minor things, and it has, and contemplated putting remote control in it, but it just has a simple on-off switch. It only goes one direction, and that's the beauty of it. It can be most appalling weather. Look, there's a sprinkler. A fortnight ago we were having to put the sprinkler onto the lawn. I've just roughly cleared the track. Oh, it didn't like that point. So what I've done is set it off running the other way round. Sometimes find that it rattles along very nicely. It doesn't mind that point at all. That way round. Look at the overgrown nature of my rockery area here. There you see the amber light on the front, I think, and the red light to the rear, and it doesn't mind going that way around. So I could look at that point at some stage, I was going to say at some point. Lots to do in the garden, as you can see, but how lovely is that to be able to just bring something out when it is actually raining at the moment, and be able to put it onto the line, and if I stop it you will see the raindrops. And rather than take a still photograph and edit the videos, I'll just put these videos together, and perhaps you can see the rain on there, and hear the rain landing on the shed roof. Maybe, I hope you can hear me, but I think that's an indication. Water drops landing on the leaves and in the pools. Yes, one could say lush, another might say weed strewn and overgrown, so plenty of work to do, but at least I've had a little run of this, and what a joy it is to see this thing running around. It is a timber model with a steel roof, not one that I want to leave out in the rain, so it's going to have to go inside and get dried off, and so am I. So if I just turn the phone round for the selfie this time, there we go, a lovely English summer. What do you need? You need a cagoule or waterproof top, shorts which are quick drying, and sandals, and that's the perfect gear to wear. Okay.